So I keep hearing about this new AI tool that's supposed to be better than ChatGPT. DeepSeek, you probably heard of it. It's a Chinese company, and you're probably also wondering if it's safe. Well, any company you gave your information, no matter where they from, it's I don't think you gotta think twice because you give your personal information. But I mean, you gotta either stay in the cave or do it. I mean, you got two options, so there's no such thing as 100% safe. But anyway, I created an account with them and I'm gonna try. First thing I'm gonna put to the test is we're gonna create a logo, which is I've been doing that a lot on my channel for my programs for design frame or for Luminosa. So I'm gonna create a logo for a customer. Hopefully it can help me. So here I have a sample of some random guy image. I'm gonna copy and tell DeepSeek to make me a logo of a avatar of the image I sent you, and it will be for a lawn care company. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna paste the image of the person. We'll see. No, it text extracted. I don't know what that means, but I'll see if I can paste again. I'm gonna ask him if I can send him a picture. It's the first time I try. I can process or view images directly. I guess it's not making logos yet. And again, I'm using the free version. Now let's try that with ChatGPT. I'm gonna actually do copy and do the same command on ChatGPT. You can see it's the free account. I'm gonna do the same command and I'm going to copy and paste. So we're gonna find out for now who's better. However, my conclusion will not be based on what happens today. I mean, it's just starting, so I'm gonna give it more time. But yeah, ChatGPT is creating a logo now, so we'll see what happens. It is kind of accurate. You can see the guy. Okay, this is the free version. This is the access that everyone has. You just create an account with your Google account, and I'm gonna ask, make it on a white background. But don't worry, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna give it another chance to DeepSeek on coding. So we'll go back to coding now in a second, and I'm gonna do the same with ChatGPT. So we'll see what happens. Okay. Actually, yeah, that's not bad for being a free account. So yeah, there's the logo. ChatGPT has 1, DeepSeek has 0. So now let's give it another chance, okay? Can you make me a basic calculator with HTML? We'll see what happens. It's gonna make me, it's working on a code. So it's creating a calculator, basic calculator. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to HTML preview. This page, you can paste your code there and it will translate what's in the code. So after it finish, I'm gonna do that, copy and paste. So we're gonna see what's happening, and we'll see how this calculator works. We're gonna give the same command to ChatGPT and we'll see what happens. So right now it's still doing it. So we'll just give it a second here. It's finishing, and I gotta say it's doing it fast. So copy and paste. All right, I like the calculator. So let's open a separate page. So let's test it. 2 times 2 equals 4. All right, I like this. So yeah, I think this is good. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. Yeah, I'm liking this. I really like this calculator, how it looks. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with this. So now let's do the same. We're gonna open a new one, but for ChatGPT. So we're gonna see how his calculator looks like. So we're gonna copy the same command and paste. Okay, so same command, and we'll see what ChatGPT makes. It is working now. It is making a calculator, and based on how the calculator looks, we're gonna rate it, and maybe they'll be on a tide. DeepSeek couldn't help me with the logo, but it is helping me with coding definitely, and it has a point on my part. DeepSeek, it did I really like the calculator that it made for me. So apparently AI or ChatGPT now gives you the option to get a preview here. You don't need this anymore, I guess. So let's test it. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I don't know why this is happening here. It's some kind of ad, but 7 times 2 should be 14. So yeah, and it looks good. I mean, no big deal. It has the same functions, just the CSS looks a little bit weird. You can see that the box is not fitting perfectly or center. So look at the calculator that ChatGPT created compared to this one. I really like this one. So okay, I'm gonna do a point deduction for ChatGPT, so they're on a tight. I prefer the calculator that DeepSeek made for me. So now let's do the final test, and this one it's going to be for okay, let's see. I'm lost here. Okay, I can close it here. Okay, so just to be sure, I'm gonna copy this code here. I don't see the copy and paste, but I can do this. Okay, so copy and paste. So make sure it's the same calculator. Yeah, you can still see that it is not well made. This box should be center. I mean, the buttons look center and the CSS looks correct, but the frame or the display screen doesn't look right. So yeah, ChatGPT failed this one for me. So that's a point deduction for DeepSeek. So now what we can test is translating. I know Spanish, so I'm gonna see how accurate this AI is. So I guess that's an easy test that both are gonna pass, but I'm gonna ask them translate the following in Spanish. Okay, my cat is funny and it's a black cat and loves to cuddle. All right, I know what's going to be. It's gonna be mi gato es chistoso o gracioso and es negro. Mi gato le gusta acostarse. So it's mi gato es divertido, es un gato negro y le encanta acostarse y mirarse. Yeah. No, actually, mimarse. Okay, I guess that's a different. Yes, it's not a common word used in Spanish, but yeah, it's very close. So I'll give it 80% accuracy. So now let's see what ChatGPT does, because translation, for what I heard, they're not always so accurate. That's why I'm doing this test here. Mi gato es divertido, es un gato negro y le encanta I, to be honest, never heard of that word. So I have made up my mind. I think DeepSeek has 2 out of 3 and ChatGPT has 1 out of 3. That is my final conclusion. That is, however, just mine, personal. It doesn't mean that it is final. It is just for what I heard that it is smarter. But once DeepSeek can make logos and all of that, it's definitely gonna beat ChatGPT. Yes, definitely I can see why people are talking about this. However, I heard some complaints that I don't know, maybe because it's trending, a lot of people are logging in using it, and sometimes you have to come back because the forum is full capacity, and you cannot. It will not make anything that you ask because it's full, and there's too many people using it. So I don't know if they have like a premium account because OpenAI or ChatGPT does have the upgrade plan, which it's unlimited. You can use it anytime. There's no interruptions. They will give you priority. You can make unlimited images, logos like this. So yeah, I mean, but you have to pay. But what's trending about DeepSeek is that it is free and it is doing a lot of great things. So I don't know. I'll come back and make another video about this new trend. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.